Ebusiafo, good evening. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Ebusiafo, good evening. Me pacho way a quick answer. I way a quick answer. Me kwa me phone se siya na eko be net 2 TV. And I say, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Can send be a me person me ba bonte na me be clarify. But your way a quick answer. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong ete net 2 TV se siya. Di matem. Can sema minim hoshe. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, Mr. Me pacho. I am not blackmailing anybody. I am not blackmailing anybody. Please, I am not blackmailing anybody. What is all this? Adena sebe pennyfu amubetimi aye me papa. More tempt me sir. What is all this? Dia ya di mini me madudu ai di mini omo mu di mini mi chele wote na wo kan. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, me interview bia me ka me life story o. Me free baby na ma pie baby o. Me free baby na ma be pie baby o. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, enye me fiti ya na me be Tracy Boakye o. Na me podan na me wo. I am not blackmailing anybody. Please. I am not blackmailing anybody. Say next time we be malodi na mahama bonani so. Don't create problem for me. A plus ni me da A plus oye kwata. Ana A plus ni na yobubu. Ana me a virgin. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, me nya virgin o. Me nya virgin. I have sex. I go out. I have boyfriends. Why do you go and sit on your TV and insult me? Why? Obia your video. Go and take your baby. I'm coming. Obi, put this in your mouth. I'm coming. Okay. Obia your video, and you just judge by the video and say all sort of things to me. Sit on your TV. I crack it to me. I want me TV. So I know if I respond to you, people will bring info to you. I don't care. Kennedy Agyapong, me a virgin. I am not a virgin. I date. Of course, me dating me a relationship. But why do you sit on your TV and insult me? I don't know who did matem. Say stupid girl na chelewate. And so what? After all, chelewate na mission. I am not like this today. By God's grace. You listen to one side of a story, come and sit on your TV and insult me. As in say me your classmate, Anna, you are a big man. I don't respect him. Mommy and continue to respect him. Why? I don't respect him. Mommy and continue. Now you respect him. Do you even have to have time for me? Me, oh yeah, I'm about to say me. Kennedy Agyapong, you don't have to have time for me. I'm a little girl. Me ya crack it to her. I am one of your daughters. You don't have to have me whole time to come and sit on TV and respond to me. What is the meaning of all this insult you are throwing at me? I am not blackmailing anybody. I am not blackmailing anybody. If you were man blackmailing or be na minya ye, now be obe na no say me blackmailing or be na minya ye no. Me dey need some ni manya me. Me pese me bodua. Me pese me bodua na me fancy boafu me biem because already no dia me ye me guso me pa ho chew. Enti me pese me misbehave biem. Please leave me out of your issue. I am not a virgin. I am not married. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, me worry you. Enti se me ma 1,000 ni me ada me body. I am not shy of it. Omo me ba me adani nyina wo keka no. Wo me no, am I still the Tracy Boakye you think you knew me? At least I've made good use of a DNA you did me no. So please, whatever A plus told you, maintain free A plus, but you can believe it. Leave me alone. Kennedy Agyapong, leave me alone. What is the meaning of I'm blackmailing somebody? My blackmailing of young Atofio or Lakeside. My blackmailing of young Atofio or East Legon. Really? Do you think that is how I am? Is it because I've been quiet over this whole issue? Do you think that is how I am? If you are doing your politics, I want to know who did the NDC for attempt that? What the NDC for a problem that? Leave my name out of it. You may take free move. Please. The next thing you will do is say, you have new information, bring me, or the way that. God knows, say me. I don't have any audio, I don't have any video against President Mahama, and I will never do that. Please, me won't pen or shame you. Stop giving my boyfriend's credit to John Mahama. Stop, enough is enough. Stop giving my boyfriend's credit. Me kasa ya no because me you need for NDC. And to me person me responded to BBR. Me wo audio ni me wo video. Obi so wa ofamra. Me da obi a so video. Any audio say me Tracy Boakye. Me dey blackmailing president no. Ofamra one thing. What are they waiting for? Dear Dre obi be enti confirm. Dear Edway, obi obi bia. After the me yakwa say, why do you listen to some story and just come and sit on your TV station and insult me? Why? You just listen to something, go and sit on net too and insult me? Say me blackmailing President Mahama. Say Nyankopon was so on dire. He should strike all of us. The other try to me so Mrs. Agrada crowd boma. Say Papa we was so why? I don't know what you want to say over ever see me so. Am I your classmate? I'm your daughter. Do you have to even have me whole time to go and sit on net too? Nyabwa Wednesday, opa, for documents are dear mabra, and my money me that I don't care. I am not a virgin, and I did me no me man for so. Me were 29 years. I am proud of whatever I have achieved and the mistakes I've made in my life. I am proud. I am a dresser who can say, me tell what to bomb it and then Yamia me a free moon. I come at Obia pain, Obia was story pain. So please, leave me out of your issue. Leave me out. Nigel Gaze, women Nigel Gaze in on another. Nigel Gaze, why your pata? Please, leave my issue. I beg you. When you will end this your problem, Dada. Jaja, wo no. Any Lord in Mama, Mama Lord in Mama, show us soon. What have I done? My day. What is all this? Now my boyfriend to home, me relationship. I am moving on with my life. Then you go and sit on your TV station to create problem for me? What is this? Because the enemy and not teach us say, Mama can TV is what did my time. I can all sort of things to me. Why? Said your mama Jano no for your person or the baby or the baby also the obedient. There is nothing there for obedient. There is no audio, there is no video. I don't have anything to do with the former president. Enough is enough. I don't have anything to do with him. Who shiny man, he said your mama. Me benchla, he said your mama. You are creating problems for me. Stop it. I try to ignore, but the way you are going too far with my issue. What is it? No Tracy Boakye ni tell upon it. Ofi ya na be ye Agyapong. Ofi ti ya na nyamehira wo. Obia was story in life. Everybody has a story in life, and I am proud of who I am today. Say me blackmailia, Nyankopon, ma won shira me biem. Say me blackmailia. Now catch me say baby, papa no baby your mama di me frɛ be do say me ya me sa. I don't have anything to do with President Mama.